Welcome to Seattle-Tacoma International Airport. You are riding on one of our ground transportation shuttles that will help reduce your wait and get you to where you want to go faster. Seattle is one of the busiest regions in the entire U.S., and SeaTac Airport is a reflection of that, as we are one of the busiest airports in the United States. We are growing so fast that during peak periods, we don't have enough gates for all of the flights that airlines have scheduled. These ground boarding shuttles help you get on and off planes sooner than waiting on your plane for the next available gate. In addition, this also saves emissions as fewer planes will be idling on the airfield. Outside of those benefits, this is actually a great way to see close up some of the activity going on at a busy airport. We appreciate your patience and understanding during this busy time. Once again, welcome to SeaTac Airport, and we hope you have a great trip.